take a little tour around the area to see some of the damage that Hurricane Michael did around here. I'll probably show you what Panama City Beach looks like when we get to Panama City with some of the damage there. And then we're actually going to go over to Mexico Beach, which really got hit hard. Okay, so I thought I'd just pull over real quick just to give you guys a look at what this looks like. It's crazy. We're seeing this all over the place. And now I'm going to turn the camera around. Pretty much the whole front of that building is gone. Here's just another building we saw. Just piles of rubble. Yeah, we just picked a side road and we just decided to pull off on it. And this is what you see. I mean, every single road. So Mexico Beach just does not look good. I mean, it's total devastation. I mean, look at all that stuff behind me. Okay, so we pulled into the Mexico Beach Pier area. Take a look behind me. It's just unbelievable.
It looks like a really neat area too.
Yeah. Okay, so we just got back from our tour. It wasn't good. Panama City Beach fared the best. Very little damage here. Some of the signs were missing. Twisted, you know, it should be able to be repaired in no time. Once we got to Panama City, things started to change. It was really rough seeing some of those places. Then once we moved beyond Panama City and started heading to Mexico Beach, that was total devastation. What we were seeing was just unbelievable. You can't explain it. Where we live in Michigan, thankfully, this is something that we will never ever have to experience. It's totally heartbreaking to see what they're dealing with. Their houses are gone. There's nothing left there. Now at Grand Panama Beach Resort, where our unit is, we didn't have to worry about any damage at all. This building was built in 2008 and it was all up to hurricane standards. Coming up our elevator on our way back, we did see some people that were here because they have been displaced. Their house has been damaged. They have a roof on it now, which is good to hear. So there is progress being made in this area. Hey, thanks again for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you later.